make a wind vane. Materials required are 2 bold plastic plates, color paper A4, a modeling clay, scissors, glue gun, a pencil, a straw, a pen. Cut the paper as in the picture twice and stick it on the straw. Stick the arrow to the pencil using a small pin. Make a hole in the plate to insert the pencil through it. Decorate your plate before sticking the pencil. Stick the modeling clay on the bottom of the plate, which will be in the bottom. Use glue gun to stick the 2 plates together. Insert the pencil in the hole made in the upper plate, then insert the pencil through in the clay. Stick in the bottom plate. Hi, my name is Sireen Abu Taha and this is my wind vane. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring the bell.